Okay, I'm inside my fucking house right now, trapped because there is a giant fucking hive of bees in the tree in the corner, and I know you guys can't see shit because of this grating, but I have the fire department. They're here, and they're gonna fucking help me take care of this little problem. So, we're gonna get a show. Yes, Sunday afternoon, and it's gonna be a show.
All babies are up.
Got it? More? Rocket shooting up there?
They got a chemical, I guess they're gonna spray it with.
Oh, Doc? Yeah.
He's inside.
She'll be fine. Guys are shooting up, and we're gonna have some fun today. That's Harlingen's finest firefighters.
They are going to be all over the place.
They are gonna fly. It's almost fucking guaranteed they're gonna fly. All the fun. Gotta love the hood. Hood. That's what I wanna say. Holy fucking crap. It's gonna be awesome. Ugh, in my bathroom. Better view from right here. And you probably can see a couple bees flying around the window. They're just zipping around. Look at that. Oop. There goes one. And two. And three. Oh my god. They're gonna come and kill me. But yeah. I have the fire department here. And look at that. These bastards are pissed. On that. Okay.